Welcome to SADX. Today we are going to solve two math and we'll find out the value of x. Let's start. First one, 4 to the power 2 to the power x plus 1 divide 3 equals to 2. Very interesting math and we have to do carefully. So first, this 4 we can write 2 square, right? Then we know one thing, x to the power y to the power z, we can write x to the power y times z, right? So similar thing, this is 4, against this one we can write 2 to the power 2 and times this is 2 to the power x plus 1 divide 3 equals to 2. We know in product once base are same, that time power will be add. It means a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Therefore we can write this one 2 to the power, these two has no power, it means this is 1, right? So 2 and 2, this is our base, and here is 1 plus x plus 1 divide 2 equals to 2, right? Now look, this is 2 power 2 and power we can make a LCM. Sorry, here should be 3, right? Now 3 times 1 is a 3 plus x plus 1 divide 3 equals to 2. Now look, here is also same base, it means 2. We know once base are same, like a to the power m equals to a to the power n, that time power will be equal, it means m equals to n. So these two and these two similar, so we can write 2 and here is 3 plus x plus 1, it means 3 plus 1 is a 4 and plus x equals to, base are same, it means 2 and 2, so here power is 1, we can write here 1. Now here is 2 to the power 4 plus x equals to, here is 1, against this 1 we can write 2 to the power 0. We know a to the power 0 means 1. So again similar base, it means m equals to n, so we can write 4 plus x equals to 0. Now we can transfer this 4 left side to right side, so x equals to minus 4 and this is our answer. I hope you clear this one. This is very important math. So first math done, now we will start second math. The question is root 5 to the power root 20 minus root x equals to 25. So first we have to omit this root. So we know root a equals to a to the power 1 by 2, right? So this one we can write m to the power 1 by 2 times root 20 minus root x, and here equals to, against this 25 we can write 5 square. We know once base are same, that time power will be equal, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n, we can write m equals to n. So here is 1 by 2 times root 20 minus root x equals to 2. Okay, now we can make cross multiply. So here is root 20 minus root x equals to 2 times 2 is a 4. Okay, so now we can square both sides. So 20 minus root x equals to 4 square. So we can write minus root x equals to, this is 4 square means 16, and this 20 we transfer to right side, so minus 20. Okay, so here is minus root x equals to minus 4. So we can multiply both sides by minus 1, so root x equals to 4. Now we can again square both sides, so x equals to 16. You should make sub note, like here you can write squaring both sides. Similar, here is also you can write squaring both sides, right? So you can write this one, you made a copy, so just put in here, so squaring both sides. Therefore our answer is 16. So this video I am trying to solve a very important to math, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE or Math Olympiad. So for be good preparation, you have to know these kinds of math, especially exponential equation. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.